Hey everybody, here we're going to do the first three problems for the arithmetic sequences. So in this case we're going to need our formula, which is a sub n equals a sub 1 plus parentheses n minus 1 d. So a sub n is going to be our desired term, a sub 1 is our starting term, n is the place value of the desired term, and d is going to be our common difference. Okay. So in this case, I always like to start with the a sub 1. What's our first term? It's going to be negative 16. Okay? And we have to assume that these are arithmetic. In this case, they are. There's another activity where they're not all arithmetic, and we'll go over that later. And then we also need our common difference. How much is it changing by each time? And you can see here, it's actually increasing by 3. Okay? So it's going up by 3. So 3 is our common difference. And we were asked to find the 52nd term. So we're looking for a sub 52, okay? No big deal. Actually, I'm going to write on top of something so it looks a little better. Hold on. There we go. Okay, that's a little better. So now let's plug these terms in. So we're going to have a sub 52 equals a sub 1, which is going to be negative 16, plus n minus, oh, not n, sorry, 52 minus 1. And then common difference is 3. All right, so we're going to do 52 minus 51, which is, sorry, minus 1, which is 51. So we have negative 16 plus 51 times 3. A 52, okay. And 51 times 3 is going to be 153. Right, yeah. So negative 16, a sub 52. And we combine those together. Let's see, we're going to have 43. 137, I believe. Let's make sure I did that right. 153 minus 16. Yep, 137. So the 52nd term in this sequence is 137. So it's nice, you don't have to write the whole thing out, right? Now it's asking us to write the explicit formula, so I'm actually going to write over here. So a sub n equals, and then a sub 1 is going to be negative 16, plus n minus 1, and our d is 3. All right, so we just simplify this. We're going to distribute the 3. Okay. So a sub n is going to be negative 16 plus, let's see, 3 times n is 3n. 3 times negative 1 is negative 3. We're going to combine the negative 3 and the negative 16. A sub n equals, let's see, this is going to be negative 19 plus 3n. So you could have 3n minus 19 or negative 19 plus 3n, doesn't really matter. That's the formula. So you could plug in any desired place value here for n, and it would give you the corresponding term in the sequence. All right, let's try the next one. So we have, let's see if I can zoom out so you can still see the formula, so it's right each time. There we go. So our first term is negative 15. Our common difference, it's going up by 7, it looks like. And we're looking for the 52nd term. So a sub 52 equals, let's see, our starting term is negative 15 plus 52 minus 1, and the common difference is 7. So negative 15 plus 51 times 7. And 7 times 51, so that's going to be 357, I believe. So let me just double check that. It's been a long day, so I'm not sure if my mental math holds up right now. It does, 357, all right, great. So then 357 minus 15, that's going to be 342. Yep. So the 52nd term is 342, all right, cool. And let's do the explicit formula. So we're going to have a sub n equals negative 15 plus n minus 1 times 7. So let's distribute that 7. So a sub n equals negative 15 plus 7n minus 7. Combine the negative 7 and 15, so a sub n equals negative 22 plus 7n. And that's it. All right, let's do the last one. All right, so our first term is 27. Our common difference is 6, it looks like, yep. And we're looking for our 52nd term. So, all right. a sub 52 is going to be equal to our first term, which is 27, plus 52 minus 1 times the common difference, which is 6. So 27 plus 51 times 6. 51 times 6 should be 306. So 27 plus 306. And that's our 52nd term. I'm always lazy when it comes around to the side. Anyway, there we go. So 27 plus 306 is going to be 333, I believe. I think that's right. Yeah, that's right. So 333. And then we need the explicit formula. So we're going to say a sub n, zoom in a little bit here, equals 27 plus n minus 1 times 6. We're going to distribute that 6. So a sub n equals 27 plus 6n minus 6, and then we're going to combine the negative 6 and 27. So a sub n equals 6n plus 21. It doesn't matter if it's 21 plus 6n, it doesn't really matter if it's commutative. All right, so I hope that answers any questions you had. There's not a whole lot of room to find the explicit formula while also finding this in the same sheet, so you may have to do some of that on another piece of paper, unfortunately. But yeah, that's pretty much, those are arithmetic sequences. All right, thanks, guys.